Check out this 2004 Ford Focus ZTS. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: front disc rear drum brakes, CD player, power door locks, adjustable steering wheel, bucket seats, rear defrost, and engine immobilizer. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.